Winston, what are you doing? Hannah's having dinner. Winston, did you just kick that? Winston, uh-oh. Careful, baby. Here, careful. This is going to be our little soccer player. Uh-oh. What are you trying to do? He's trying to Got it, Papa. Whoa! You can do it. Did you get it? Winston! You gonna say hi? What are you eating? Hannah, what are you having for dinner? Hannah, what are you having for dinner? What's that called?
Couscous.
Couscous? Did you already have an avocado? Did you drink all your milk? What'd you find, Winston? What did you find? So this is the drawer Mom made for us. So we can get out our drinks and get out all of our cups and play. Get it, Winston, get it. You can do it.